we're gonna go enjoy the day and do something fun. Hi!
Happy birthday, Hannah.
Thanks, Sandy. Oh my goodness.
That's backwards.
Wow, it's so good.
Here, Hannah.
Thanks, Elvis.
I brought a birthday cake and candy real quick.
Wow, you smell like sunscreen.
Yeah, it's sunscreen in my face.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. What is this? Is that me?
Cake.
Oh, it's a cake. I love it. Hi, Scout. Oh, wow, thank you. It's beautiful. Wow, you guys are such artists.
Why is it tied?
It's so great. I love the colors. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Happy birthday to you. This is what we did for
Oh, I love it.
fruit.
Thank you. A beautiful flower. Who picked the flower? I mean acai bowl with peanut butter. Ooh, I love it.
There, you're filming her. Say, smile, Hannah.
Smile, Hannah.
Well, I was walking in the night and I saw nothing scary, for I have never been afraid of anything not very. And now we meet quite often, those empty pants and I, and we never shake or tremble. We both smile and we say, hi. Isn't that such a good story?
Okay, so I just did a nice yoga practice with my niece. I guess it's a tradition in the Fisher household to make pancakes on birthdays. So Andrew was nice enough, my brother-in-law is making us pancakes. The boys are at surf camp, but the girls are hanging out. Wow. This is what happens when I brush my hair. This is why I don't do it very often. And then my sister and I are going to go to the beach with a couple girlfriends, and I'm so excited. I am out of quarantine, so yay. If you didn't see in a previous video, Hawaii is requiring incoming travelers to stay quarantined at their accommodations for 2 weeks before they venture out, and that's why I made it a very long stay, so I can go to the beach and enjoy the beautiful island. And normally we just go to local beaches, but when it's a special occasion we like to go to a different part of the island. It smells so good. Are you excited for pancakes?
No.
No? What?
Not yet. Not yet. Not.
You look cute.
Thank you.
It's a fun to venture out. I mean, we will have the baby with us, but
No,
at least we get a girl's day
so
plus
exciting. I'm
Kovacs.
excited.
You're gonna have to imagine Ellen right here while we get our cute shot of eating our healthy pancakes, but she's currently feeding her child. And he demands the boob right now. Mmm, these are so good. This is probably, this is a recipe from your ebook, right?
No, I did like a cheat meal recipe video, and it's
I'll link it. I am now wearing the pinkest thing I own, and we are putting together some snackies for the beach.
Is this the part where you insert some funny music?
I think that music is beautiful. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm filming today.
Oh, cool.
Ready?
Wait, I gotta get my piece ready.
Thanks for going to the beach with us.
Yes,
we're
I'm
gonna have
so
so much
excited.
fun. Thank you. So pink right now.
So sorry, guys. I always underestimate how long it'll take me to get ready once I have a newborn.
Late.
No?
What?
Bring it on.
You like the camera?
Oh, I mean, I'm really awkward.
This is one of my favorite people. This is just this is my crew. This is my Maui crew. This is Danielle. She's the most open, wonderful person, and she owns a food truck called
Earth Aloha Eats.
And she brought us some eats.
I brought some eats. It's gonna be delicious.
And this is one of my favorite beaches.
It's my favorite beach.
Is it?
It's my favorite beach.
Okay, it's my favorite beach too. Sometimes when I have an opinion about beaches on Maui, I'm like, is this the right opinion that I'm having?
Absolute favorite beach.
It's so beautiful here.
Favorite beach on the whole.
I've never been.
What?
Never been.
I love it here.
Wonder if you spend the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime in this happy world. Let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love unfurls. Cause girl, I bet you love some tugging on them lovely curls. Hold up, a week up after that, believe we started dating. My heart was racing, but never felt my time was wasting. My mind was chasing, ain't no debating. I'm feeling you, and trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl, why you kick it with them guys all dumb? If you ever got some worries,
we are in the windiest restaurant ever. Why'd you take your hair down? Because it looks pretty, but like it's gonna get... just gonna fix it. Mine was all the wind.
change the picture that you paint until the paint all gone. Cause I'm just falling for the artist like your name Autumn. Like,
Wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall.
The hills are alive.
Stuck in the cold cause there's nothing left to hold, yeah. Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall.
Okay, this is your first real experience of Indian food. What
That
do you
was
think?
so good.
You love it?
Oh my gosh. What's this one?
That one is...
I gotta remember the names, guys. I live so close.
We have the menu.
Yeah, if you knew what I do for you. For you.
Riley! Oh, this cat walked right up to us and is like walking us home. Oh my gosh. His name is Riley and he's so sweet. Oh my gosh, he's purring. Get it, Riley.
So cute.
I've never seen such a social kitty.
Next to me, we both see it's crazy. Crazy.
And I just want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of our video today, Squarespace. Squarespace is a website building platform that provides beautifully designed templates and powerful blogging tools to make it easy to create a little home on the internet that you can call your own. Let's be real, many people these days need a website of some kind. Whether you are a small business, a content creator, an artist, or just a young professional trying to get your CV out into the world. I've been using Squarespace for years and have created multiple sites using this platform, and I can honestly say they make it so ridiculously easy for a tech challenged person like myself to make something that looks professional and functions exactly for my needs. Go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase to get started building your website today.